Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I have a 12 Pro Max and we need to change back camera, and I will show you how you can replace the back camera if sometime is not working correctly then or blurry or something. I already opened the phone same as usual. Normally we open the phone, turn off phone, it's very easy, it's not hard. Open the LCD and just hold the LCD on the back something, and need to open 5 screw. This 1 2 3 4 5. I am opening the screw. Until then, you subscribe my channel if you are new on the channel. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, we open the 5 screw. 1 2 3 4 5, and one is here as well in the corner. Open this as well. This is stuck here. Just move a little bit, and this, when you put it back, don't forget this goes inside. We need to open this shield as well. 1 2 3 or 4. Yeah, these 4 all screws is done as well. I opened this shield. Yeah, remove the shield, and now we need to open camera from here. Yeah, let me check on this how many connectors have. Just 1 and 2 connectors. These come in this condition. This one, and another is this one. Yeah, you can open with, mostly I'm using nails, but if you don't want to use nail, you can use the plastic thing. Same. Yeah, this is open. Now the camera is separate. It's very easy. And now you can put the new one in the same position. Yeah. Connect this strip first. And after, connect this strip. This connector. And put it back, both shields, and job is done. Yeah, put this shield back, and this one is inside. Yeah, and now put it the screw backs. Now I put it back all the screws. This is the last ones. As I opened, we put it back as well. And first I will turn on the phone and check the camera. If it is working fine, then I'll put it back the screen. The job is done. Hopefully guys, this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.